Hi all, welcome to my channel. My name is Meera and my channel's name is My Study Notes. Here I'm going to discuss about grade 10 biology topic, our environment. Subtopic is the functioning of ecosystem. Ecosystem is the place where we live, our surrounding, along with different types of animals, microorganisms, plants. So this is an ecosystem. So how an ecosystem functions as a self-sufficient or independent unit in nature, how it is happening, and how this balance is maintained between different organisms and the living and non-living components that we will understand in this video. So an ecosystem is composed of first component, that is non-living component. What are the non-living components? Soil, water and air are the non-living components, and they contain all these contains the inorganic nutrient elements. What are inorganic nutrient elements? Calcium, phosphorus, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water. All these are inorganic nutrient elements which are there in the soil, water or air, and they constitute the non-living components. The second component of ecosystem is a living component, and they consist of three main categories: producers, consumers and decomposers. What are producers? Producers are the plants. They produce their own food by photosynthesis. Consumers are the animals which eat the plants and other animals. And decomposers are the organisms, bacteria and the fungi, microorganisms, which decompose the dead plants and animal bodies and break them and bring them back to the soil and in simple molecules. So these are the living components of an ecosystem. So steps of functioning of ecosystem. So how do ecosystem functions? Any ecosystem. So in an ecosystem there will be a producer. Producer is a green plants. They absorb carbon dioxide and water from the nutrient pool of the earth. That is, what is the nutrient pool of the earth? Air, water or soil is the nutrient pool of the earth. And from here only the sunlight is taken from outside, and this sunlight helps convert this inorganic substances into organic compounds like starch, proteins, all this of which our body is made up of. All these are synthesized by using simple inorganic substances. So what are the next? Like carbohydrates. So carbohydrate, sugar is a basic food, and so producers trap the solar energy and then provide the basic food or energy for all other life forms in the ecosystem. So they are the basic producer of the food in any ecosystem. Second is consumers. Consumers are the animals. They derive their energy needs directly or indirectly from the producer or plants. Herbivores are the animals which eat the plants, but carnivores are the animals which eat the herbivore animal. So indirectly or indirectly, all the organisms, animals, they are getting the nutrients, their energy from the producers, that is plants. Then third is, when producers and consumers die, the decomposer organisms act on their dead body and return the various elements back to the nutrient pool, that is soil, water and air. So these are the role of these three components of the ecosystem, and in accordance with the non-living component, that is soil, water and air. So in the ecosystem, how it happens is, there is input of energy plus matter between the living and non-living. This is living here, and non-living, it will die and it will become non-living, inorganic substance. In non-living things will be going back to the living thing. So this is a cyclic process going on, and in this cyclic process there is input of energy and matter from outside. So this is how ecosystem functions. This I have drawn the flow chart to explain you the functioning of the ecosystem. So I hope this topic of functioning of ecosystem is clear to you. Subscribe my channel for more such educational videos. Like and share it with your friends, and I wish you all the best. Score better and better marks. Thank you for watching my channel.